So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add an image slider in Duda website. So the first thing, once you create your website and start with website building, you will need to go to the left side and you can see layers, theme, pages, widgets, media, and many more options on here. Now in order to add your image slider, you will need to go through here and you can see some of the basic stuff on there as well, like photo gallery. That's something similar, but not really an image slider. You can then see it right here. Next to it, it's called media slider, and you can use it as an image slider on here. So let's just add it to your website and you can see how it will look. So through here you can add media. Usually it's images, and that's what we're going to do here. And you can replace images through here. So it's quite a good way to get a sense of what you're going to be adding. So you can even select a layout that's going to be looking something like this. You can manage the media through here. So if I add or duplicate these pictures there, I can just replace them as well. So you can see the option to replace. You can rename it and delete them. But if you are satisfied with the pictures that are running right here, you can even add a description, add a button. So maybe if the customer sees something they like, they can click on this and see some more information about that photo. So there's quite a lot of stuff. You can even add slides on here. So that's how you can add an image slider. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Duda website or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.